Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix VPN connection failed error on Windows 11. If your VPN is not connecting, the first thing you should do is run the built-in network troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Then go to System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. After that, click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you will see different troubleshooting options. Find Network and Internet and click on Run. Windows will now scan your system for network problems. Follow the instructions on the screen. If Windows finds any issues, it will try to fix them automatically. Once the process is complete, try connecting to your VPN again. If the problem is still there, the next step is to restart or reinstall the VPN adapters. Right-click on the Start menu and choose Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the section called Network Adapters. Look for adapters named 1Miniport, such as 1Miniport IP or 1Miniport IPv6. Right-click on each of them one by one and select Uninstall Device. Do not worry, these drivers will be reinstalled automatically. After uninstalling them, restart your computer. Windows will reinstall the adapters during startup. Once your system is back on, try connecting to your VPN again. If it still does not work, your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking the VPN. Temporarily disable your third-party antivirus software. You can also disable Windows Firewall by going to Security and clicking on Windows Defender Firewall. Turn it off temporarily and test your VPN connection. If the VPN works, you may need to add it as an exception in your security software. Thanks for watching.